Hello guys and welcome back again. In this tutorial I will show you how to add shadow to an image in Photoshop. So in my tutorial I'm using the Photoshop 2019 version. If you have any other versions, just keep watching this video. It will help you a lot. So let's get started. Click on File and New, and from here you can choose the preset that you are willing to use. You can also customize your own presets by just clicking on any preset from here and just customize these numbers as you like and choose your own perfect preset. For me, I'm gonna use this 1928 1080 and I will click on create. Now we have to add a picture. How do we do so? I've already made a tutorial about it. Please go and check it out. But for those who doesn't know, you can just click on File, click on Open, and from here you can drag a picture. For example, I want this one, and from here we click here, double click to remove the lock, and then we drag this picture into our preset. As you can see guys, here's the picture, but you can't really see a shadow. It's like pretty much 2D. The shadow will make it looks kind of 3D. So how do we use this shadow? Basically there is like couple methods. Like there is this one. If you want to make a reflex with shadow, there's this one. You can just click 180, add it like that. Sorry, that, and make it transparent a little bit from here, opacity, and then drag the eraser, and from here do this, and then you can click on this first layer, and by clicking double click on it or just clicking right click and going to layer style, you can find the same window. So click double click, and then we come here into drop shadow. From here you can choose where do you want the shadow to be. For example, if you want it to be this way, you can just rotate this one to be that way, or the reverse. So if you want it that way, you gotta make it this way. It's like if you want it right, you gotta make it left. That's pretty simple. Okay, so if you want to make it bigger size, you can make it bigger from here. If you want to make it spread more, you can add it from here, but it's better and much efficient if you do it like 26 and between 26 and 10. So now we keep it 26, and you can make distance, like make it far or close to the picture by choosing this one. And here you can change the color of the shadow from this icon right here, and keep it at multiply because it's the most efficient option as well. So that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, and thanks for watching.